All right, if you were looking for the block heater in your Nissan TitanXD heavy duty with a Cummins engine, there have been some updates to this block heater over the last couple of years. The new ones come with this, or if you have an older one, it has probably been updated if you've gotten all your latest updates. So the block heater is located at the bottom of the engine, and we run the cord just out here when we're doing the update, as it comes from the bottom, and then we run it out through the front grille. However, if you have not had the update, you may just have the loose cord, which will be run up in this area, or right from factory, they do like to run it up in this area. So it comes out of the bottom of the engine there. Usually you'll find the cord right between the airbox and the battery. And this one you can see, there is a cord. There's some of it right there. So, and then it'll just run down into the front grille most of the time. So if you're looking for your block heater cord, you're gonna wanna start by just checking right here. Unless you have come to us for the update, in that case, we would have just routed it right from the bottom of the motor right to the bottom portion of your bumper, and nice and easy accessibility. So there you go, Nissan TitanXD with the Cummins motor. Have a great day, everyone.